With a string and a number, this line of code evaluates to true. This is because the string is converted to number before being compared. The next line of code is also true because if no number is found in the beginning of the string, it will be converted to 0. With list, this auto conversion does not take place. So for example, this line evaluates to false. So for two lists to be equal, they must have the same size, and its items must be of the same type with the same value in the same order. Changing any of the item to different type will make the comparison to be false. If you're comparing a list of strings, it is recommended to not use a == sign, because that will be the operator used to compare the strings. So that means that the comparison would depend on whether you have ignore case turned on or turned off. So here we have two lists with same words in both of them, one with just simple letters and another with a capital letter. With ignore case set, it will be true. With no ignore case, it will be false. So we can use the case-sensitive or case-insensitive comparison operator instead. Respective operator will be used to compare the strings in the list. So using the case-sensitive operator, this will be false. Using the case-insensitive operator, this will be true. The result of the comparison will stay consistent regardless of your ignore case settings.